Hello, everybody. Welcome to the 8th Annual University of Florida Law e-Discovery Conference. We are happy to have you here, and we're looking forward to a wonderful conference all day long. I've got with me today George Socha, our conference co-chair, who has, over the years, has worked with me to put this conference on. And we're, again, very happy to be here doing it for the first year, completely virtual and completely free. So, George, want to say a few words of welcome?
Thank you, Bill. As Bill said, I am George Socha. I am Senior Vice President of Brand Awareness at Reveal. I couldn't be more thrilled to participate in this, the 8th year of this conference. We've been putting this conference on for 8 years now. Until this year, live and virtual, online both. This year, completely online. The first year, we had maybe 200 participants. We've got, what, 3,000 or so people registered to attend now. Looking forward to this. This will be a great day, great speakers.
Yes, thank you, George. Just a few words, if you would, please, from me of an administrative nature. We'll be taking questions and answers during the conference. However, given the size of the audience, it's likely we won't get to every question. So to the degree that you answer a question and we can't have our panels answer it during the day, we'll try and get back to you after the conference and answer your questions as they've come in. So with that, what I'd like to do now is ask our Dean, Laura Rosenbury, to come on stage with us, if you will, and present the formal opening and welcome to the conference here at the University of Florida 11 College of Law. Dean Rosenbury.
Thank you so much, Bill and George, and welcome everyone to this 8th Annual UF Law e-Discovery Conference. I am joining you from the 2nd floor of Holland Hall at the UF Law campus. I so wish we could all be gathering in our courtyard this morning, but after having to cancel the conference last spring, we are thrilled to be able to return in this new virtual format. And we already have 1,000 people who have joined us today, if you look at the participant mark, and we have about 2,000 more who have registered, including many UF Law alumni. So thank you all for joining us. Machine learning, predictive analytics, and artificial intelligence more broadly are rapidly transforming the practice of law in all settings, from the solo practitioner to big law in corporate America, in matters ranging from traditional litigation to due diligence to antitrust and other regulatory matters. And this conference is part of UF Law's commitment to providing alumni and the broader legal community with affordable, continuing legal education in this area. And we're thrilled to be able to provide this conference for free this year. Our focus of the conference this year is work smarter, not harder. And our presenters will walk you through the initial process of assessing material subject to discovery, including new challenges created by evolving devices and data sources. And most importantly, our presenters will focus on how to use and combine readily available software to find the most significant information in your data as quickly as possible. Our presenters will also update you on evolving e-discovery case law. And among our many presenters, we are particularly excited to welcome this year's distinguished judicial panel, including United States District Court Judge Javier Rodriguez from the Western District of Texas, who is joining us for the first time. Judge Rodriguez received his JD from the University of Texas School of Law, but we are excited that he has agreed to become an honorary gator for today's event. Joining Judge Rodriguez are several federal court magistrate judges, including Judge Patricia Barksdale from the Middle District of Florida, from the UF Law class of 1996. Judge Gary Jones from the Northern District of Florida, Judge William Matthewman from the Southern District of Florida, from the UF Law class of 1983, who will also serve as our keynote, Judge Mac McCoy from the Middle District of Florida, and Judge Julie Sneed, also from the Middle District of Florida, who received her undergraduate degree from the UF Law College of Journalism and Communication. We thank all of these judges as well as all of our other presenters. We are so grateful for your commitment to e-discovery education and competence. And I also want to thank our friends with firms and businesses that have assisted us with this conference and who also provide vital support for our students here at UF Law. And in particular, I would like to thank Kanan Heimelbaum from the UF Law class of 2004, who's with Concilio, and they have put together a wonderful UF Law Concilio internship. I want to thank Rose Jones of King & Spalding for providing e-discovery career paths for our students. David Corrigan from the UF Law class of 2001, who's with Relativity, and Ian Campbell from iConnect, who have made their software available for our e-discovery students. Michael Quattararo from ACEDS for making their executive certificate program available to our students. And Mary Mack from EDRM for providing a publication path for our students. And this conference is the product of hard work of a volunteer planning committee who have worked countless hours, hundreds, thousands of hours over the past 6 months to make this conference come together. And the committee includes Kelly Twigger from ESI Attorneys, David Horrigan again from Relativity, Mike Quattararo from ACEDS, Rose Jones, Maribel Rivera, Magistrate Judge Jones, Tessa Jacobs from Hush Blackwell, Scott Milner from Morgan Lewis, Dan Regard from IDS, and last but not least, Professor Bill Hamilton, who leads the UF Law e-discovery project. And I want to just say a bit more about Bill. I can see he's getting a little embarrassed here, but that, as he should, it's our time to put the spotlight on Bill. Bill is a valued member of the UF Law faculty, and as you all know, he is also a leading voice in the field of e-discovery. He put so much effort into making this conference a successful event year after year, enticing all of you and the country's top e-discovery experts to participate each and every year. And for that, we are so grateful. And I know you're now here to talk about e-discovery, machine learning, predictive analytics, so it is my pleasure to turn the floor back to Bill. Thank you so much, Bill.
Thank you very much, Dean Rosenbury. And I will say one thing about your tenure here at the University of Florida. In the short 5 years you've been here, the University of Florida Law School is ranked as, I think, the 7th public law school in the United States. Just a tremendous accomplishment, and we're all incredibly honored by your leadership. And we'll go to even higher goals as we go forward. But thanks for all you've accomplished for us and university and the law school in the past 5 years. Okay, let's get on with the